300 miles an hour, 25,000 feet, it's got a surface ceiling of 35,000 feet, and it'll have a range, as it did in the old days, with 6,000 pounds of bomb with a weight of 65 tons. It could fly for 2,000 miles. A formidable aircraft. And it was called the Flying Fortress because of its enormous amount of armament. Turret guns, rear guns, side door guns, 50 calibers. This was a potent fighting machine. 40 years, this is the UK's last remaining B-17. It's been maintained and flown as a memorial, as I said, to the 80,000 Allied airmen who lost their lives in Europe during World War II, when our American cousins came over here and helped us ultimately to be here, yes, here at Blackpool today in 2053.